Just bought a 1973 Chevy Blazer. Ended up making a great deal on it. Came with the plow. And the plow system works, and we'll show you that in a little bit. The truck runs and drives. It runs great, as a matter of fact. It just needs some TLC, shocks, you know, new ball bearings, that type of stuff. I'm not really a car guy. I actually thought this was a pickup truck, because if you see the badge on the side, it says Cheyenne on it. So I thought it was an old Chevy Cheyenne with a cap on it. But it's actually a Chevy Blazer in the Cheyenne packaging. And now that I've done more research on these Blazers, I'm seeing Gas Monkey Garage, you know, Richard and his team, and Dennis Collins, he recovered a 74 Blazer from Montana. I was really excited about it. His was much cleaner, had all the, you know, the original stuff in it. Mine's kind of a little torn up. It doesn't even have a back seat, but you'll see that. But it seems like people are really excited about these vehicles, so I might put some money into it, and I'm gonna show that arc across the channel. This is the introduction to the truck and, you know, early stages of it. I've cleaned it up a little bit. You'll see it's still a little dusty, but I vacuumed clean, pulled all the stuff out of it. Got a lot of the lights working, put new speakers in it, side view mirrors, you know, stuff that I can do. Again, not very mechanically inclined, but really excited about this 1973 Chevy Blazer. I'm going to give you a little tour of the vehicle right now. So here we go. Cue the montage. Let's start her up. Should pop right off. V8 350 in this sucker. Okay, so I've seen Dennis Collins on his YouTube channel and Richard Rawlings on the Gas Monkey Garage YouTube channel show the paperwork. This is what I have. The truck, and I thought it was pretty cool, came with the original owner's manual, which is pretty awesome. I mean, you see some of this stuff. Really cool. And then my neighbor got me the Chilton's books. These show you how to basically rebuild these vehicles. They're kind of like the cliff notes and cheat sheets for these books. And then here's another repair guide for the Blazer Jimmy. And again, this is my neighbor who educated me that this was actually a Chevy Blazer, and she knew that this was a Chevy Blazer in the Cheyenne package. So very cool. This is the paperwork I have. All right, so now that we've taken a tour of the Chevy Blazer, let's take her for a spin. Co-pilot here, Moose, master mechanic, in case anything goes wrong. What do you say, Moose?
I say, let's go.
Let's go, let's get it. just went to put gas in her, leaked right out. We think one of the lines going into the gas tank is leaking, so $4 worth of gas onto the ground. So the journey begins. All right, Moose, so we're gonna wrap this video up. We gave a tour of the vehicle, we took it for a ride, we found out the, what's that called where you put the gas in? I'm not a car guy.
The filler pipe.
The filler pipe is leaking, so we now know that. But other than that, that's the only thing we came up with.
Nothing.
It ran good, the temperature ran good.
Right. Oil pressure was good.
Oil pressure was good. So all in all, pretty successful. I mean, it's a couple miles down there. We did about 4 miles round trip.
It was a successful trip.
Successful trip. How are your vibes?
The vibes are good, working good anyway.
Vibes are good. Now I'm gonna have Moose crawl under the vehicle and see if he can't fix the gas.
Right.
So anyway, with that, we're out. Stay tuned. We're gonna show more progress on the truck. Chevy 1973 Chevy Blazer. Let's get it.
Yes, sir.
We're out.
Over and out.